To meet the needs of its smart TV customers, VIZIO provides access to a wide variety of streaming services. Currently, there is no way to install a full-fledged web browser on your VIZIO smart TV. Only streaming services are available. There are, however, other methods of bringing a web browser to a TV screen. Our IT staff has compiled a list of quick and easy methods to get a web browser. Is it possible to install a web browser on a VIZIO TV? Unfortunately, at this time, VIZIO smart TVs cannot be used with a web browser. Although VIZIO smart TVs do not support direct internet connection, there are other methods to connect to the web via a browser device, SmartCast, or cables. This makes it easy to cast content from your phone, tablet, or computer to the VIZIO smart TV so you can view videos from YouTube and your favorite programs from Netflix. Accessing pre-installed applications online. For your VIZIO TV to work properly, you'll need to be online in order to use the built-in applications. First, make sure your VIZIO smart TV is set up correctly. First, make sure you have a working internet connection at home. Does the router have internet? How powerful is the Wi-Fi connection? Is there a solid connection between the modem and the router? The next step is to modify the DHCP settings and verify the internet connection on additional devices. If this is the case, power down your VIZIO smart TV and power it back up again. If your VIZIO smart TV seems to be in working order but you still can't go online, trying restarting your router may help. Our professionals recommend seeking into the VIZIO warranty service if you are still having trouble figuring out how to obtain a web browser on a VIZIO smart TV and are unable to access the network despite having a functional internet connection at home. The likelihood that the issue is with the network rather than the TV itself suggests that you may need to contact customer support for assistance. Learn the ins and outs of linking to our hardwired and wireless networks. VIZIO smart TV users may connect their TVs either wirelessly or through an Ethernet cable to access the internet using a web browser. Chromecast from Google and the Fire TV Stick by Amazon are two alternatives. Our media team also claimed that browser-based gadgets may be used to obtain access to the web. In particular, we will examine the Google Chromecast and the Amazon Fire TV Stick. The techniques outlined below should be almost universally applicable to any Android-based web browser device. If you can't find the HDMI connector, you may use the Cat5 port or the PC cable unit to link your browsing device. Different VIZIO smart TV models will also have different Cat5 and PC cable input positions. When everything looks okay, turn on the VIZIO smart TV, go to the menu, and choose the HDMI input. After that, to use your Chromecast or Amazon Fire TV Stick, you must sign in with your respective account. After setup is complete, consumers may cast their internet browsing experience onto their VIZIO TVs using the Silk browser on the Amazon Fire TV Stick, or the Google browser via Chromecast. Using the browser on VIZIO TVs requires the cumbersome extra step of connecting an external device, but doing so has its advantages, not the least of which are the special features and apps that can be accessed via them.